Hey, what's up everyone? This is Flash from Flash Hobbies, and we're going to be doing a unboxing and review of these Lipo batteries. So I picked these up off of Amazon for $62.99, and they had a $4 coupon that I could use on these. So I don't know how long that coupon will be effective for, but got them for $58.99 shipped to my door. Have Amazon Prime, so they got here in 2 days. I will say this is the most interesting packaging that I've gotten for Lipo batteries. I've never gotten them in a box that's shrink wrapped before, so let's take a look at them. Just first impressions, packaging is really nice. You get your user manual for the batteries, and I don't know how to say the company name, but it's MOOCK, or I'm not entirely sure on that, but they look like they're fairly new to the RC game, and I wanted to give them a shot. So I went with these 3-cell ADC 11.1 volt batteries, 5200 milliamp hour. And of course I went with the Traxxas connector. A lot of people knock them. Don't really have any issues with it. I don't run extremely high things through my Traxxas connectors. For the most part, it's crawlers and regular bashers, which that's more than enough. So again, I like how they packaged everything. Everything is packaged very nicely. The batteries have got some good weight to them. I'm going to hook them up to a battery tester and see how much battery they come with from the factory. So this is my field box that I take out with me when I go bashing. I have a couple extra screws and pins and just assorted things that I might need. Also have a battery tester that's on Velcro that I can take off. We're going to go ahead and plug in this battery and we'll see how much it comes with. So it looks pretty much like it's in storage mode, which yeah, so each cell is at pretty much storage mode, so it does not come with any charge from the factory. So let's go ahead and get these on the charger and we'll see how long it takes to charge. So as you can see, I have this in my Slash 4x4 and it is a perfect fit, absolutely perfect. I got maybe a couple millimeters to spare, so it fit on here perfectly, and we're going to test it out.
Tracks.
Well everyone, I just came back from running it. As you saw in the video, it actually did really well. The battery is nice, it never got warm. It puts enough power to the system to where I can actually wheelie this thing. I have some other 3-cell batteries, I can't wheelie this. And it didn't really put a whole lot of strain on my motor. My motor is, I'm holding it right now, and it just had a full run. The ESC feels slightly warm at best, so I think it did really well. The battery handled great, and the best part is I have a second one ready to go as soon as we go out to the track or we go out bashing. These should last a pretty good while. I got about 30, almost 35 minutes out of this battery, and that was just going full throttle up and down the street for a while. I only showed you a small clip of what I was doing. After I stopped recording, I just started bashing with it and just driving up and down the street. So it's definitely going to get enough playtime out of this, and with 2 batteries you'll get an hour plus of playtime. So I think that's absolutely wonderful. So no complaints on these batteries so far. I'll do a follow-up review later on to see how they hold up with time and with different charging, and you know, just basically repeated cycles, and see if the batteries can hold up to that. But as far as right now, I definitely do recommend these batteries. They are great for the price, and you get them fast with Amazon shipping if you have Prime, so that's another plus. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys have any questions, as always, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching Flash Hobbies.